How decentralized exchanges work, Uniswap, Balancer and Curve explain. What if you could trade crypto instantly without Binance, Coinbase, or any exchange? No KYC, no limits. That's the power of DEXs. What are decentralized exchanges? A DEX is an exchange that lets you trade crypto directly from your wallet, without any middleman. No account, no registration, no depositing funds into an exchange. You stay in full control. DEXs use something called an AMM, automated market maker. Instead of order books like stock exchanges, DEXs use liquidity pools. These are pools of tokens provided by users, not companies. Example: Ethereum and USDT pool on Uniswap. You can trade Ethereum and USDT instantly because both assets are already deposited in the pool. The constant product formula. This is the heart of Uniswap. Whenever you trade, the pool adjusts prices automatically. Real example of a swap. Let's say you want to swap one Ethereum to USDT. You connect your wallet to choose tokens and click swap. Behind the scenes, Ethereum goes into pool, USDT comes out. Price changes slightly. Liquidity providers earn a fee. All automated. No central control. Types of DEXs. 1. Uniswap. Best for simple swaps. Uses constant product formula. Supports any ERC20 token. 0.3% fees on most pools. 2. Curve Finance. Best for stablecoins. Extremely low slippage. Very low fees. Best for peg assets. 3. Balancer. Multi-asset pools. Custom weight pools. Used for index funds. Very advanced and flexible. Why DEXs matter in DeFi? DEXs bring freedom to trade anytime, no central authority, huge variety of tokens, lower fees, open access globally. They are the backbone of decentralized finance. This was episode 3 of the DeFi Mastery Pro series. In episode 4, we go deep into liquidity pools explained, fees, risks and how they actually make money. Hit the like and subscribe, so you don't miss it.